The Galaxy S20 Plus is a lovely device. Now, in terms of just quick comparisons to the S20 Ultra, it is just lighter. It's a really light device, and you've got more colors too as well, so you can see it kind of looks white though, but this is like the light baby blue color, and I like that it's got those kind of options. Now, this device packs in a lot of features. You do have a very solid camera array, which you can check out our camera video versus the S20 Ultra and the iPhone. This stacks up and holds up on its own. So if you're thinking of, okay, cameras and stuff, this will do well. So how about gaming, right? We do have the Snapdragon 865 processor. We've got 12 gigs of RAM in this device as well. It does have a 4,500 milliamp battery, and it does have fast charging up to 25 watts. I did try the 45 watt charger. I didn't see any difference, so I'll say it's at 25 watts. I will check that again, but that's what I've gotten so far. Now, when you have all that, what do you get with, gaming performance with a device like this? With, your standard mobile games, you get 120 frames per second because this device has to display at 6.7 inches, supports 120 hertz at 1080p, and of course not at 2K resolutions, which is standard across the S20 series line. So let's take a look at the games we have, the kind of performance, and then we'll go from there.
Time to loot. Back in the fight.
They were all back.
Give me your rip, fool! Successfully. You hit me, asshole! The dust. What you been drinking?
So in terms of gaming, this thing handles really well. I mean, it's smooth, really no hiccups or anything. And when you looked at just all the games that you saw on the, playing off an Android device, it's really solid. Now, in terms of temperatures, we've got about 95 degrees, which is a little higher than I would like. I think with the vapor cooling chamber, hopefully that should come down. Although I'm not sure if this device has a vapor cooling chamber, and that's not left for the Ultra. If I'm wrong with that, let me know. But that's what I got with temperatures, right? Audio is really good. Speakers are loud and clear. You hear that with the games, and the speaker levels are around the same for me with the S20 Ultra. So that's why I didn't do a specific speaker test with this device. Now, you guys probably saw that controller. You were like, okay, what's that controller you use to play Call of Duty? That is the GameStar F4 controller. I wanted to just kind of showcase and use it here. I'll be doing a full review on my gaming channel, so go over there to Board Gamer to check it out. But it's a simple controller, trigger buttons, it kind of folds in. I like that whole mechanism of folding it, and it fits with your S20 Plus and your S20 Ultra. So take a look out for that. Now, something I didn't spend a lot of time on was actually gaming using the Galaxy Buds, and I did that here with the Galaxy S20 Plus, and it has a specific gaming mode. And I have to say though, what it really does, besides amping up the bass, is giving you really proper directional sound. So while you're playing PUBG or Call of Duty, you can hear exactly where those gunshots are, and the positioning is really good. I know it's not just from my right or my left. I know it's like right by my 5 o'clock around here. Positioning is nice. It does a really good job, and I think a lot of people should definitely try it out if you picked up the Galaxy Buds Plus. I think overall you will like to use this device to game, whether you're just using your hands to glide across the display. 240 Hz touch sampling is really good. That is solely understated. It makes playing FPSs on your smartphone like the Galaxy S20 Plus really, really solid. I mean, I think that kind of performance is great. In terms of battery life, I would say the battery life, of course, is a little less than the S20 Ultra because it's got a slightly smaller battery, and it does show. I played from about 3 till about 6 p.m. and I lost about 50%, so it's a little higher than I would like. But I do like the fact that when using it regularly, this device really handled well in terms of battery life. Now, the other thing to take note, of course, is that you have a device that can also use streaming services like, GeForce Now, as well as also Project X Cloud. And with those services, they run really well. Being able to, of course, the app runs at 120 frames per second. Don't know why, but the games run well. I just wanted to quickly show that for people who would ask about streaming services if they work well on this device. I think overall...